Hi, this is Mike Parati for Lackawanna College, World History, Unit 2, Week 2 Webcast. I think that sounds about right. I hope everything is going well. I wanted to make a few quick announcements. You'll notice on the portal site that I don't know if there was a little bit of a backlog in terms of the coursework page, but Turbulent Passage Chapter 5 is up. And remember, all you need to do is download that or put that in Word, type the answers up in the worksheet, and email that to me by the date of the exam, which I believe is the 16th of October. I don't have the portal up right now, but you could check that. I believe it's the 16th. It's on the coursework page as well. For this unit, I just wanted to make you aware that for this unit, the assigned chapters are going to be 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7 will be due by the 16th of October. 6th will be up. The worksheet for 6 will be up tomorrow, and then I'll try to put 7 up very quickly. So I hope all is well. If you have any questions, please email me at professorparati@gmail.com. Please make sure that you're posting to the forums. So basically, all you have assigned for the world history between now and October 16th is 1, post to the forums at least once per week. 2, do the secondary reading, which I think you'll enjoy. It's about the Russian Romanov dynasty. And 3, do the chapter review questions. That's it. And if you have any problems, please let me know. Let me briefly talk about World War I. It is a great event to talk about, and it's one of the classes that I wish I could see you guys in a classroom to kind of draw some stuff and show you some things. But basically, in World War I, first, it is truly a world war because the nations of Europe are fighting. But remember, most of the nations in the world are colonies of European nations. So it's very accurate to say that places like Africa are involved in World War I, sent troops to World War I because Britain and France and Belgium and those nations have colonies there. All right, so it is truly a world war. Second, and very important, the war is a disgusting, trench, boring, defensive war. All right, I brought this out. This is one of the books that I use for my other class to show you that basically, if you could see that, let's go to this page. There we go. This is the line of entrenchments from the ocean down into eastern France of just entrenchments. And what is a trench? A trench is a huge hole in the ground in which troops would basically get out of the trench, run towards the enemy trench, fight, and then die. And then it would just go on. And very rarely did you have any offensive war. I say to students all the time, that's kind of why you don't see any great World War I movies on the big screen. Because the fighting style is very slow, very deliberate, very boring. But add to that, very disgusting, in the sense that you have these people fighting in trenches, but yet the weaponry was very advanced. You had flamethrowers, tanks, machine guns, what we would consider to be artillery, weapons that could accurately kill people in a set position. So what you oftentimes saw was people literally measuring out the distance to the enemy trench, fire, and then people would die. Horrible death on a scale that the world had never seen before. And part of that was due to the equal nature of the armies on both sides in World War I. The armies were very equal. And second, you have to understand, that was the fighting style of the time. So I hope that underscores a little bit of what you're reading. If you have any problems whatsoever, please let me know. Have a great week, and email me at professorparati@gmail.com.